Jason Stone from Denver, Pennsylvania. I do enjoy doing it kind of like as a hobby, but my biggest reason is, and I learned it from a previous coworker, is that I'm actually tired of working for other people and making them money instead of making it for myself. It's a lot of information. It's very good information, very good experience that you get with it. It's not just reading off the screens and putting out a bunch of information. So they're giving real life experience, which is nice. But it's stuff you don't think that you really need to do to get things going, other than the physical aspect of the job. Actually learned a lot of things, basics on what to do to actually make the end product looked a lot better. It actually really does, just in the half a day, show you the difference between actually washing a car and doing an actual detail job.